Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky, and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan as well as Quality Business Consultant. And what I like to do in this video is to give some restaurant owners some tips and tricks to consider when writing your restaurant business plan, updating your restaurant business plan, and so on. So the way the video is going to work out is, first and foremost, going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. Once I'm done with that, then we're going to talk about your restaurant business plan and some tips and tricks that are focused on the services section of your business plan. So with that said, let's go ahead and zip through this little PowerPoint presentation. So as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, doctoral candidate, and owner of Quality Business Plan as well as Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer and strategic plan consultant. So if y'all do need some help with writing a business plan for your restaurant, or you need some help with creating a strategic plan for your restaurant, please feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be absolutely just delighted and beside myself to assist. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. A lot of my books that I've published is focused on business plan writing, so check me out there. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So I do have some education backing up some of my thoughts and ideas. And then finally, if y'all do need some help with those pro forma financial projections, like I said, I've got a little bit of education and experience in finance. So I'd be delighted to work with y'all to complete those pesky pro forma financial projections. All right, enough about me. Let's talk about your restaurant business plan, specifically the services section. So when you're writing your business plan or you're updating your business plan, inevitably, we're going to be talking about the services section. And a lot of times when I edit a business plan, either I'm going to, from a restaurant, either the restaurant owner is going to send me over every single thing that they're going to be offering in their menu, and they want it all in the services section. And when I'm done with that, if I did that, when I'm done with it, we're going to have 3 or 4 pages of a menu, or 5 or 6 pages of a menu. And that's a little overdoing it when you're trying to write a succinct business plan. So when you're writing your services section for the business plan, do include the highlights of your menu, maybe 3 or 4 of your main dishes, 3 or 4 of your side items, and then your beverages. Keep it short, keep it simple, keep it to the point. Also, all too often, the restaurant owner is going to forget to describe in the services section whether their restaurant is going to be dine-in, carry-out, delivery, or all 3. So make sure in the services section, after your menu, after you succinctly summarize it, right below that, include in there whether you're going to have the dine-in, you carry out, and delivery. And if you're going to be doing delivery, are you going to be doing Uber or the Dinner Dash or the Dine Dash or whatever that contractor is? If you're going to be working with third-party contractors, make sure to discuss that. And also, if you're going to have in-house delivery individuals, make sure to state that as well. When you structure your services section, as we just described, what you're going to do is it's going to be succinct, it's going to be easy to understand, and it's going to give you flexibility. You're not listing every single menu item, because if later on you decide that one menu item is not working and you change it out, well, you don't have to go back to your business plan and change it every time you change a menu. So keep it short, keep it to the point, and make sure to touch on your complementary services such as delivery or carry out. And then finally, a word of caution: restaurant entrepreneurs, they love their slang. They love including their slang in the business plan. So stay away from, try not to be wordy in your services section. Stay away from the slang, and assume your reader is not industry savvy, whether it be a loan officer or investor or even an employee that you're sharing your business plan with, or a family member. Make sure you assume that they're not industry savvy, and just read through your business plan and make sure you stay away from slang. All right, so hopefully that information was helpful. So let's go ahead, wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. So in summary, when you're writing your services section of your business plan for your restaurant, stay short, stay sweet, stay to the point, but be informative. Include your entrees and your sides and your beverages, and make sure to touch on the services you'll be providing, whether it's going to be dine-in, carry-out, delivery, 2 of the 3, all of the 3, 1 of the 3. Make sure you touch on that in your business plan. All right, so if this was helpful and y'all do want a little bit more information for a restaurant business plan I'm writing tips. I've got a website right here that'll give you some tips and tricks on how to further write your restaurant business plan. If y'all do want a restaurant business plan template, I do sell my restaurant business plan templates, and it's on this link right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess with templates and you don't really want to research how to write a business plan for a restaurant, you just want the darn thing written for you, I do write business plans all the time for my clients. Feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, and I would be delighted to write a custom business plan for you. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out and make a little bit of money and have a great day. Thank you.